What's up guys? Josh Hecocks here. Today I'm going to teach you how to install my brand new K8. So first thing, let's open up the box. So most of you have been wondering what this K8 actually is. It's actually a medical device and it's used in many different hospitals in Japan. And when I first heard about this, I thought it was like a water filter. It's actually more than just a water filter. So it has a filter, right? But it has these medical grade plates, these solid titanium platinum dip plates that are right in the back here. And what they do is they charge up the water. And what we use is electricity. So it plugs into the wall, and how we generate the current is we plug this in, goes through the plates, first goes to the filter, then the plates, and then it makes amazing water. As you can probably hear, so that's the air. They vacuum seal these machines and they're made by one person. So they each have a serial number, and each of the machines you could trace back through that serial number to that person who made it in Osaka, Japan. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set this up over here. The only real tool you need is a quarter and pliers, but today I'm just going to use my fingers. So what we're doing, we just take off the end of the inlet hose, and what we're going to do is we're just going to wrap it around here, and then we're going to take the diverter, and the diverter actually has 3 different settings. It first has a tap setting, a shower setting, and an ion setting, which is the ionizer setting. So what we're going to do is we're going to unscrew this piece here. We're then going to put it on the inlet hose, some new plastic there, and then what we're going to do is we're going to push this on there, on the male end, and we're just going to tighten this puppy up. There we go. As you can see there, it fits. So on most faucets there's an aerator. This aerator has a metal or a rubber washer. So make sure that that comes out with the aerator. Then we're going to take the cord, plug the cord in. So we're going to plug that in. Now we're going to plug it into the wall. And it turns on. As you can hear, it talks to you. So we'll go here, setting, we'll go volume high, and it actually speaks to different languages. We can learn Italian, we can learn German, or we can even learn some Spanish. But today we're gonna keep it on English, and then it even says a way to change the filter. Now, I told you earlier that the filter was in this location right here. It is a medical grade filter. It takes away all chloramines, all sediment, but it doesn't take away all fluorides. So in a way, sometimes people get a pre-filtration system to then now not only have this last longer, but to clean out even more of the water. So this is not a filter. Remember, this is an ionizer. It's a life-altering device. So this hose here is actually the acidic spout, which splits the water into 2 streams, okay? So it has alkaline and acidic. So first we're gonna take the adapter set, and they have different adapters today. I know which one we're going to be using, which is this gray one right here, and it screws just right here. So what we need to do is take this piece, and all we need is this quarter and this washer, the rubber washer that's in there, and it's gonna fit perfectly in there. What we did is we took off this circle piece from the diverter, and we're gonna take the adapter and push it through, and we're gonna use the quarter, and we're gonna screw it on tight. So we're gonna put that on there just snug tight. We're gonna take this and we're gonna screw on the diverter piece. Now we have that snug tight. We have this sitting there, sitting there. Now, for the main event. 9:25. We go here. We have tap water. We have the shower stream. And then we also have the iron. Now when you first get your machine, you should let it run for about 30 to 60 seconds to get rid of all of the residue and stuff of which the filter and the plates. So it's coming out clean, coming out fresh. There's no leakage.